This video, I'm going to be going over a price prediction for Solana and going over some charts that you've never seen before. I haven't seen anybody online on YouTube post it before, so it's going to be really good. I'm also going to show you some ways to hedge against Solana. Although I'm very bullish, I'm going to show you some ways to hedge just in case. If that sounds good, I want you guys to subscribe if you haven't and leave a like on this video and comment your favorite crypto down below. So you can see that I'm on the official cryptobubbles.net website. And I have Solana pulled up. So we can see right now Solana is currently trading at about $101. You see it changed in real time. It was 102, dropped to 101. But for the year, it's up 323%. So we saw 365 days ago, it was sitting at about the low 20s. And currently it's sitting at about slightly over $100. For the month, we have about from 101, about a month ago, it was about the high 80s to close to over 79 bucks. And for the week, we can see it's dropped from about 116 down to 101. For the day, we can see as well. For the hour, negligible. But okay, so why am I here today with you guys? So I want to talk to you guys about Solana price and show you guys some charts that and do some analysis that you've never seen on YouTube before or never seen online before that could potentially give you guys a way to, not financial advice, but kind of like a theoretical way to hedge against Solana. So we know that for the past past year or so, right? It's really the past few months, Solana has grown drastically to the point where it's done exceptionally well, even though we're in a bear market, due to different coins, meme coins, and of that nature launching onto the Solana ecosystem. One project does well, brings up the entire ecosystem for Solana, and we can see that reflecting the price, right? Compared to others, it's without a doubt that the past few months Solana has grown faster than other altcoins. A lot of other altcoins. It's outpaced Bitcoin, it's outpaced Ethereum, and I'll show you guys that. So here's a way that you can hedge against, and I'll show you guys a way first, okay? And then I'm comparing Solana against Bitcoin. Okay, let's go for the past 6 months. Okay, so Solana was about here, and it pretty much outpaced the growth of Bitcoin, meaning that we can see that right now we're in a bear market, but look how fast it's grown, right? It's reached levels that are close to the bull run of the Sol BTC chart in the last bull run. And that's pretty crazy because we're not in a bull market yet, right? But although we see Solana has grown so fast, it's already hit levels similar to bull run, right? So we can see 0.0025, and then we can see here 0.0225, and it pretty much hit the resistance. That's pretty crazy, right? Because we're not even in a bull run yet. We're in a bear market, right? Supposedly in a bear market, and we can see this growth, Solana versus Ethereum. And this is where it starts to get interesting, the lower caps that you go, right? We can see we can see although Bitcoin, it hit the resistance of 0.0025 with Ethereum. It outpaced it where it reached close to the all-time high. 0.048 was all-time high, 0.047. So it pretty much hit the all-time high. Solana versus Ethereum hitting the all-time high. What do you guys think about that? That's so crazy, right? Because let's say that you bought Solana, you bought however much Solana here, right? And then here, you dumped all of your Solana. And this is where the hedging comes in, right? Imagine you dump all of your Solana into Ethereum at this price, and you're basically selling your Solana at an all-time high in comparison to Ethereum, right? You're pretty much just taking profit into it. You're pretty much just getting Ethereum at a lower price, and I'll show you guys something that's going to be really crazy, okay? Here's the Solana versus Polkadot, okay? Imagine you bought it at the all-time low. So one Solana was worth about 2.6 or so Polkadot. Well, if you started to sell now, around this is the all-time high, okay? This is past the all-time high. Like go from 2.6 all the way to like 15.74, and it's currently at about 13.86. So we're pretty much at an all-time high right now. Look at this, 2.6 here. That's over 4x, and past all-time high. We're the bull run all-time high even. So imagine if you dumped all of your coins now into Polkadot, and then later when you sell again, and you could sell again once it drops to 5, and you'll pretty much triple your Solana. Okay, so let's say you have 100 Solana here, okay, and then you sold it for however much here. once it gets back to the 5 level and you sell again, you'll convert it back to Solana, and that's pretty much hedging against it, and you pretty much triple your Solana holdings just right there from like 15 to 5, right? And we can see it's gone that in a bear market, right? It's pretty crazy. We can imagine that when the bull run starts, it'll hit these 5 levels because Polkadot, for example, will catch up to the growth because Solana has had a substantial growth compared to other altcoins. When we see that substantial growth, then we've seen that it brings down the price of the other alts. And that's pretty much the picks I wanted to show you guys. Bitcoin, it's not too impressive. Ethereum, it starts to get interesting because it reaches all-time high. Polkadot, it triples the price. It tripled the all-time high price. So it went from like 5 something last bull run to being worth over one Solana being worth over 15 dot, and then the Litecoin is also something that's really strong as well. We've seen that it's past all-time high for Litecoin. We've seen Litecoin definitely lag, but Litecoin's been proven with time to be something similar to Bitcoin, and we can see that last bull run, for example, one Solana was worth up to 1.25, and now it's over 1.6. 1.5. If it keeps going up, then your USD value will be in a higher value. But so this is pretty much a way to hedge it, because if imagine, let's say crypto market crashes tomorrow and it goes back to the all-time low levels, then we can imagine it going from about 1.5 LTC down to here, and you pretty much, how much is that? 6x your holdings of Solana if you just like sold at this whatever top you bought here, you sold at top, and then once it goes back down, theoretically selling again, substantial profits. And yep, and that's it for the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about crypto and Solana in general. Do you guys think Solana is going to keep going up in this bull run? Or if you guys think it's kind of going to stay still now and then wait for the bull run to start and go up? I don't know. What do you guys think?